welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I am Plush2x. As you can see, I am matching again with another mask and a dress. But actually, this is not a set. This was not a set at all. I bought this dress like 3 or 4 years ago. I had this for a long time. But I had just gotten this like 2 months ago, and it is so nice. It's reversible. I haven't had one. I said I'm not going to buy any more masks until I saw this one here. It's reversible. It's the only reversible mask I have. And it's cute. And it just happened to match this outfit. Alright, back to the show. PVK. Alright, today I am showing some food. I'm going to be showing a recipe today. I actually thought I invented this recipe, right? Until I Googled it, because you know you have to do your research before you claim something. I thought I invented this recipe, but I found out I didn't. But it's still something, an idea that I still came up with. I didn't get it from anybody else. But it's not that there's anything wrong with sharing other people's ideas, because I have shown other people's ideas on this show. That's how you grow, you learn, you share, and stuff like that. But anyway, I came up with buffalo baked beans. Now, you know, you used to regular baked beans. It's real simple. If you just want to add some spice to it, you have a hot sauce taste craving. So you just dump some hot sauce on there. And if you wanted to make it like, you know, sweeter, because it's going to take away from like the sweetness of the... This is vegetarian baked beans, by the way, because you know some baked beans, they come with bacon. So you have to read the ingredients when you get the canned baked beans. Or you can make your own. I think they are navy beans. I'm not sure. Ingredients. Yep, navy beans. Can you see that? I'll show it later when I put it to the counter. But yeah, vegetarian beans is usually non-bacon, but you still gotta look at the ingredients, so yeah, check it out. Yeah, and like I said, if you want it to be a little sweeter after adding the hot sauce, you can add some agave to it, which gives it like some sweet heat. Check it out. It's so simple. It's just like a twist to it if you just want to get that hot sauce flavor going. It's my little spoon. And it smells good. It tastes good. I mean, I like baked beans by itself. Like I said, I just had a craving for some hot sauce, and you know, I didn't have my buffalo cauliflower wings. I ain't have none of that, but I will be getting some later, or making some. But that's all, something real simple, real sweet. I'm just showing some ideas what you can do out there. Stay tuned for more on Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, and have a good day. Bye.